You might all be wondering why I'm videoing this truck with this container in the back. But that container is a 40-foot shipping container, sea can, and it's getting dropped off in my gravel parking area. Usually I'm shooting on my deck towards the gravel parking area, and the deck's been working for a while for me, but it isn't ideal. And so this is going to turn into kind of, the front half's going to be about a 10 or 12 foot office space. I'll be able to make my videos, a little bit more privacy from the house. And the back 30 feet or so is going to be the shooting range. And I'll be able to open the doors up on the back as well and send that shooting range out further if I need to. But for most of my shooting, I'll be able to do my standard 30-foot shooting tests inside of there, out of the elements. I can heat it up if I need to a little bit, get the temperature up there, so the tests are a little bit better, have some lighting all set up. Hopefully I can get my chronograph working a little better with more normalized lighting that's not changing all the time. And so that's what's going to happen here. So it's not going to happen right away because I got to do some framing in there, I got to do some wiring, run some electrical, all that kind of stuff. But I'll be kind of bringing you along this journey as I do it over time. So I'll even have a few more videos that I'll add onto this one showing it getting dropped in here. All right, stage one here, we got it off the road and into the parking area, the gravel field area. Now it's got to go back there. It's going to be up against these trees. Basically kind of, that's the side you'll see, but that side will be parallel to the trees. We're actually possibly going to have to get a crane to nudge one end over because it's going to drop one end where it needs to be. The other end you probably can't get right in there just because this truck won't do it. Just going to drop it tail end pretty much first and dump it, and then after that we're going to see about getting the other end over. That'll be stage two, I guess maybe stage three. Getting it over there, stage two. Getting the front or the back in position, stage three. But that's it. Might have to paint over that, we'll see. A little bit of touch-up paint, maybe. Stage two, we're going to try and, not we, that would be wrong to say, he, the truck driver, is going to try and angle this in as much as he can, get the back end in, into that corner there. See what kind of magic he can do.
Perfect, that's somewhere pretty close to there.
Yeah, it's close. There we go. Fast and Furious. Jeez. That's a little scary. I'm a little scared, to be honest. Move it down. On the side of some more. That's, yeah, I'm happy with that. Wow, you're getting there. Getting close. Push the rest of it. I like it. Good.
see what you think. Hold on, Mr. Tiger.
Just like another couple, 3 inches. Oh, there she be. Hardwood floor already installed. It's a lot bigger inside than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty sweet. Wow. So this area here will probably be my office space. I'll make for a good office. And this part here, from about there down, will be the shooting range. I might put some shelves along here. But pretty sweet. Wow. Can't even touch the ceiling. It's, oh, there we go. I stretch, I can. About 7.5 foot ceilings, about 7.5 feet across, and about 39.5 feet in length on the inside. Very good.